And so good afternoon everyone. No? So I'm Joanne. I'm a licensed financial advisor from ProLife UK. And today, I just want to share with you a quick overview sa isa sa mga plans na in-offer namin in ProLife, and this is the PAA Plus. So PAA Plus is a regular pay plan, meaning whole life siya. So hanggat kaya natin siyang bayaran, hanggat kaya natin mag-save, pwede. So this is recommended for those clients who wants to start their insurance with investment plan pero hindi ganun kalaki yung budget nila for it na kaya nilang isave. So PAA Plus is very affordable lang kasi yung monthly premium na kailangan nating isave pero comprehensive na yung benefits niya plus with investment na rin. Example dito sa sample proposal natin, based ito sa 30-year-old healthy non-smoker. So meron siya for only 3,000. So, for only saving 3,000 per month, covered na si client ng 2.4 million na death benefit or life insurance. So, ito yung may iwan niya sa family niya, sa beneficiaries niya, just in case ma-out of picture si client. Pero nakagad peace of mind si client na kung kahit ano man yung mangyari sa kanya, alam niya na may iwan for his family na makakatulong sa family niya para maidiretso yung lifestyle na nakasanayan nila habang nagpo-provide pa si client, and also para hindi maputol yung dreams or yung education ng mga anak niya kasi merong papalit na funds or merong matatanggap na funds yung family para ma-continue yung kanilang lifestyle kahit wala na yung nagpo-provide sa kanila, which is yung client na insured natin. So, for only saving 3,000 per month, covered na rin si client ng 1 million pesos disability benefit, 1 million pesos accidental benefit, and 1 million pesos critical illness benefit. So, meaning, kung ano man yung mangyari sa client, ma-disable man siya, ma-aksidente man siya, or ma-diagnose siya ng critical illness, meron na siyang siguradong benefit na makukuha, which can help the client or sa family ng client habang nagre-recover si client for his medication, and also as a income replacement na rin in case na 'di ba hindi makapagtrabaho si client talaga, so matitigil yung income. So meron silang makukuhang 1 million pesos na benefit na sobrang laking tulong na, 'di ba? Hindi na nila iisipin kung saan sila kukuha ng pampagamot just in case may mangyari kay client. And what if naman, di ba, walang mangyari kay client and pag-retire niya, may makukuha ba siya? The answer is yes. So, since VUL to, si PAA Plus, 2-in-1 siya. So, insurance with investment siya. So, for only saving 3,000 per month, covered na si client sa lahat ng mga benefits na nabanggit natin kanina. And also, pag-retire niya in 60-65 years old, meron siyang projected na retirement fund ng 4 million pesos. So, di ba, only saving 3,000 per month, meron na tayong peace of mind na ano man mangyari sa atin, may iwan tayo for the family. And also, you also have the peace of mind na kung ano man yung mangyari sa atin, hindi tayo magiging burden ng family natin. Kasi, meron tayong nakaprepare for any of the sad events. And also, kung wala naman mangyari sa atin, di ba, we live healthy and we live long, meron tayong retirement fund na asahan. So again, hindi tayo magiging burden ng family natin. Hindi tayo magiging burden sa mga taong mag-aalaga at makakasama natin pag-retire natin kasi nakapag-prepare tayo. And that is only saving 3,000 per month. So imagine, 'di ba? Saan makakapunta yung 3,000 per month natin? So minsan kasi akala natin napakamahal ng insurance, hindi ko kaya yan, pang mayaman lang yan. And that is wrong. Insurance is not for the wealthy people. It's for the healthy people and for the disciplined people. Natin tatandaan, ang insurance hindi natin binibili yan. We apply for it. And kagaya nga ng lahat ng any kind of applications ginagawa natin, we are subject for approval. So hanggat alam natin na healthy tayo, na insurable tayo, na 100% pa, o kung di man 100%, mataas pa yung percentage na ma-approve yung insurance application natin, let's try, let's go for it. Kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari sa atin sa mga susunod na araw. Hindi natin alam, baka bukas uninsurable na pala tayo. So sayang yung peace of mind na kaya nating ibigay sa atin at sa family natin, and sayang yung benefits na pwede nating makuha, diba? So talk to your financial advisor. You can talk to me, diba? So I can help you kung paano natin mapaplano yung journey mo to financial security. Yun lang. So follow for more tips. Again, I'm Joanne, licensed financial advisor from ProLife UK. Thank you.